Now we're doing an arms out clasp. Okay, we're going to start with our feet in green chambers 2 and 3. We're going to put our arms by our sides to begin. We're going to go straight up out to the sides, and then we're going to bring them in front, squeeze, back out to the sides, and down. Okay, so up and out, squeeze, back and down. Okay, so up and out, in front, squeeze, back and down. Let's do 10 together. Ready? Follow me. Up, in front, squeeze, back and down. That's 1. Up, in front, squeeze, back and down. That's 2. Up, in front, squeeze, back and down. That's 3. Up, in front, squeeze, back and down. That's 4. Up, in front, squeeze, back and down. That's 5. Up, in front, squeeze, back and down. That's 6. Up, in front, squeeze, back and down. That's 7. Up, in front, squeeze, back and down. That's 8. Up, in front, squeeze, back and down. That's 9. Up, in front, squeeze, back and down. That's 10. Excellent. All right, so that is our arms out, bringing it in front with a clasp. Okay, let's try and do 5 more together. Here we go. Up, in front, squeeze, back and down. Good work. Up, in front, squeeze, back and down. I know those shoulders get tired. Up, in front, squeeze, back and down. 2 more. Up, in front, squeeze, back and down. Last one. Up, in front, squeeze, back and down. All right, good work, and rest.